Welcome, you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim, bringing to the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Estimate Committee inspects pending development work at Viewpoint. HSPDP elated with the government's decision on the roster system. Meghalaya Childhood Development Mission empowers women, educating them on motherhood. And State Chess Championship begins in Queensland. And now the news in detail. On July 21st, the Estimate Committee of the Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya, led by Meryl Bonds Aim, MLA and Speaker, visited Riboy District to inspect the progress of pending development work. The committee's focus was on several medical treatment centres in the district, including the Mother-Child Hospital in Umran, which is currently undergoing renovation. During the visit, the committee also sought information regarding the trauma centre at Civil Hospital Nongpo, the office building of the DMHO, and two schools, the Polytechnic in Nongkra and the Eklavya Model Residential School in Palms Aim. After the inspection, Meryl Bonds Aim addressed the media and assured them that the committee would closely monitor the progress of the pending work. The committee's aim is to ensure that the government departments complete the projects on time, enabling them to provide efficient and effective services to the people as intended.
Estimate Committee jong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ke program ke spot inspection ke bangila penbel hakini license ki belale ke bentuk ya education department ber health department ke Estimate Committee ketiga komiti ya kabaka sorkar kala benset kerpang na kebenta bangin budin ban pentikna baki estimate ki bala penkre na kebenta ki jingte ki bapher kila amding hospital kila amding school haga jella baro ko we bangin budin ban pentikna bakin long ke bibit ke babiang bat ki kam ki ban dep haga por babiang bat kani komiti haga juk ke por gini ki pending issue ki bala sateng ki kam ki babun ki badang sateng kala bandai na gajing bom don funding kala bandai na gajing bom biang ke estimate ke bala sana kala bandai ki issue ki babun ki don yelek kat bala ban budin ngani ke komiti bat haga ni ka spot inspection ke bangila yo ban pendep kini ki license ke bakentuk ya ka Eastern West Khasi Hill ya ka West Khasi Hill ya ka West Garo Hill South Garo Hill Riboy District ni di district ke bangila cover kini ki license ka bakentuk ya ki residential school kumhalau bertun nanta po Rongjeng nanta po Edenbari West Garo Hill nanta ki Polytechnic idon Artli ke we gede Nong Stone ba ke we gede po Nongkra Nongpo Riboy District nangta ki bade bat ka tenat ke ko ke khia ina yo ban jengo ya ki Artli ki trauma center ke we gede ke ba tura bat ke we gede Nongpo bat mentang di jong health department ngidan hangane ke MCH hospital hang ne apa Umran Parila Umsning Kontonsi Riboy District Hukum komiti ngila lab bat ngila syam ki don ki bentah ki ba ngihap ban budin kaliang jong komiti ban pentikna bagi ni ki institution ki berkentuk ya katenat jong ko ke khia bat puling putih ki dei ban dep kloi kat bala khanang ba kinla ban long operationalize nam ta ki mentoy jong ki pai ba babun ki balang lagi di residential school lagi di kini ki EMRS ke bangila yo ban pej kawe ke dia po Pamsim bat kawe ke dia po Samanda kini ki Eklavya Model Residential School bat kumjuru pada berketanat jong ko ke khia bangila yo ban budin bat kini ke komiti ingin persangkat bala ban pentikna bagi ki barok ki bang sorkar ka dia ban sanction apa ding jing duna ki babun ki bang ya kendu ngin budin bagi ni kam ki dei ban long nam dang jing mentoy jong ki bai ba jong jella bro ko
tikum ba phila jurip menta bro ko ke jella i ba ki bun ki structure additional charges belani ki ka fund bangin hapan alot hang tu ka to ka dei nem ka jing ta ya ka pisang bai ba
ka phi takadaw ong phi ba kani ka committee ngi penlut ya ka por ke jong ni menang transport inspection ban pentikna ban ensure bagi dei ban yen phi ka estimate man tagi don kini ki project ki ba ke SOR ke dei na usnem katsan kandriu ka kam kala ya la sange mentala da pin habala sange ka kam arlai snem la di senang biang menta ka dor kala yper sabeneng sekendo ini takadaw ni komiti ngi simkhia ban pentikna bala ron kam ban rikas segitu ke estimate kata ke kamram jumi ban pentikna bade ban rikas biang ban re estimate yaki khanang ba ka kam kan yat khanang ba kinom sakut kini ki project karbala
tina ka next step dengan committee minta terban ensure ba
Committee
kini
ngihap ban submit ya ki report ke jungi ke findings ke observation ke jungi kumbala pen kupor da ka legislative assembly ngihap ban submit ya ka report sya ka legislature at the same time sya ka executive ru bangin ka delegation ke jungi the same delegation ngin let ban budin ban penting kinan bang kwa am dikena estimate committee kani ka team ke bangidan menta ba ngin tray kat bala ban ensure ba kini ki kam ki pesateng kide ban pendep no tentang jiban toy dapat pak
tina liang committee kan kan time frame saya bakin asya ka government bakin nak pendap ut gini ki project
kloy kat bala ka time frame kebetulan hangi kalau mau kloy kat bala marba kani kan deiru ban ngin ha ban kren nam taman sanction bandang jin penmang di batamai ban rikas ki estimate kini kita akan simpori dan ri kat bala ngin yele ban budin bakan dep kloy.
About a month ago, the health minister herself has come and visited this place. So in that meeting, we have requested officers from the PWD department, PHE department, and the MECL. As far as the MECL is concerned, I've seen that they have completed the connection, but whether they have commissioned it or not, I don't know. Kila connect alike, but I ne kakam te kala adap ne. So that is one. The second most important is the road, and the tendering process for that is ongoing now. Only left is to be allotted. And through this committee, I would like to request, because when we ask the PWD, they stick to their own dimensions and specifications. But this being a hospital, at least 500 meters both sides, the road should be widened, because when people come, they will need parking space. Only this compound here will not be enough. So there will be auto rickshaws, there will be local taxis to move to and fro to bring patients. So the usual 9 feet of road for 2 vehicles to ply is very difficult. I think if you have come through the usual road, today even the truck is blocking the road there. That's why you could not come straight. You have to go all around it. So the approach road, and the condition why the road is so bad is because there's no drainage. All the water that comes from the hillsides, the road becomes the way for the water. So it digs up all the pebbles and all that, no? So these 3 main things.
In a recent development, the Hill State People's Democratic Party (HSPDP), a regional political party, has expressed its strong disapproval of the implantation of the Uniform Civil Code in the state. The HSPDP, known for its advocacy of regional interests, believes that the implementation of the UCC in the state would undermine the unique cultural identity and traditions of the people. In another turn, the president of HSPDP, KP Pangyang, expressed his delight and appreciation for Conrad K. Sangma's decision regarding the roster system in the state. Pangyang praised Sangma for moving forward and not dwelling on the past, stating that the government's recent decision to review the roster policy for the future is commendable. The MDA government amended the office memorandum of 1974, which had maintained the existing job structure. Going forward, the roster system will be implemented to benefit the tribal population of the state.
Si menta kasi jong ke HSPDP nilayo banikren kat tu kuniteli ki kam ki bagletai sani bha away kadai hagwedai bat ka reservation policy kabar kadai bat ka UCC hagwedai bat ka reservation policy roster kum ka parti ning kong ang pau isungu ya ka sarkar ba kani ka sarkar kalala ban pendep kat tu kani ki benta ki badai bat ka reservation roster kapaning kong kalong ba ngisungu ba ka sarkar MDA 2 kala amen no ya ka clause D jong ka OM ka basipotri ku me arjar puar halor ka tu ka benta ka ba yedei bat ka jin penpe kam ya ka reservation roster de katkum ka jing ya danlang jong parok ki political parties haka pinla haka minutes jong ki all party meeting ar pnaitari ku me arjar kulai bangi laya telilang jong baru political party lain no go BBP kam dan mentah ka sina marba ka abstain ya ke jingilang jong ka party all party meetings ban pentri kam ya ka roster in prospective manner, not in retrospective manner. Te halor gani ngilayo ru ya ka OM ka batmai kat sautrik Jun arjar kulai baya katei ke jing pentri kam ya ka roster kalong ha ka prospective manner. Te ya kaning ben pau ni sungu ya ka sokar ka bal shim ya katei ka jing ajung boting all party meeting ka arknaitri gume arjar kulai kebarpat hadin ke jing kren issue ba ka sorkar MDA 2 haka arpun nyotrik jong Jun arjar arkulai kalapan bayiru yak OM jong ka kat knais pa new husau ka boong ba baro kini ki vacancies ki badai jong ki garo kategori bala ban fill up da kinu ki judge benri garo la ka dei na ka state ni Bombay na ka state tiya ka niru na ka liang ka government deng ba cabinet aka ba mangi ko party don way minister pa clear bangilayo but dangin ka singiru ngilawat yung tip baka sa notification ba nadu nang ni syakman ya baro ki vacancies jong ki garo category and pendap da ki briu ki badai apo kajalan ke liahi te halor kini isu nang ban pendap bakat kum ke jengtha ke chairperson jong ko all party meeting ban wanra ya ki suggestion sha ka sorkar ha ka ba kan expert committee kan ha ban kami te menta ka singi ngim pa la ban IFI ya ka ya ki jing ajing mut jing perkhot namar ba baro ki bengilayo lum na ki remember hadu menta ka singi kinang don ki bangi ha ban bai khamba hanre ya kan ngin sa pentip sha ki lat patai ke ward jopi ber pintip siki pai ba perkhot ba ke SPTP ke don kendia por ban trei pendap yang le banta shop ni submit your suggestion sha ka sorkar jila halor ka distribution policy kita gilong ki penta ki bidon daksi penikran.
In a bid to empower women and ensure the well-being of children, the Meghalaya Childhood Development Mission MCDM and the Community Rural Development CNDRD Mount Hatrashan recently organized an informative program. The program aimed to educate women representatives from 50 villages in the CNRD block on how to meet the needs of their young ones, fostering healthy development in both body and mind. The event took place at the community hall in Kinshi Bangla, located in the eastern West Khasi Hills district. Alongside the women, the program was attended by ASHA workers, CP Maukond, Sampat Kumar additional DC and Agantwadi workers. The initiative highlighted the importance of providing adequate care, nutrition and education to children, ensuring their overall growth and development.
हमारा और वो बना बलिक का बड़ी का हमारा और वो लिए हम तो और पंजाब का तबीशा बड़ी हम आयशा से हमने नंबर हां बड़ी टाइम में वो इंडिया और लाइसेंस से ना आप तो बोल तनी ना जटमाशा वो कंट्रोल Bagaimana telan? Hamzat Shisho, what will be clear? Will you smile now? What? Gamla, Hamzat Shisho, what is in the heart of the boy? What is in the heart of the boy?
Jing betul. Naga bentang jinglong ma manfaat lihat ibarat hijau ini hari agar hukum kebelum jabin kejawi ka developer nadu por kadangka hadu dana sunset di ngangit scam ba lingba ni ke program ngin sayo ya kata ka jing tip ba ya kata ka jing
ECG.
In an exciting development for chess enthusiasts in Meghalaya, the 46th Meghalaya State Chess Championship commenced on July 21st at Umsning. The tournament, organized by the Riboy District Chess Association, has attracted fierce competitors from 6 districts of the state. The championship is scheduled to span 2 days, giving participants ample time to showcase their skills and strategic prowess. The winners of this championship will earn the prestigious opportunity to represent Meghalaya in the upcoming high-level competitions, including interstate tournaments.
Hours together to fight only by their mind games. So it makes me think and wonder, and we should ask questions to each one of ourselves. Why do people fight physically? They fight because they stop using their mind. They stop using their power of reasoning. They stop thinking of what will happen when they raise a hand. But in chess, I have seen all the players, they really scratch their head before making a move. If I make this move, my dice will go. So I have to be very careful. If I move the clock, I think if they delay too much, marks will be cut, or points maybe. I don't play chess, so I don't know much. But what I observed is that within a reasonable time, they should make their move. So it's a good gesture from the Meghalaya Chess Association to decide to adopt schools and teach this game to our students, to our citizens, how to play chess and how to use our minds. Maybe if all of us take interest in chess, there will be less fights. I think you will agree with me on that. So, I wish this 2-day tournament, today and tomorrow, for all who come and participate, even for the organizers, we will always find ways to see our shortcomings and improve. I wish all the participants who have come from different districts to utilize this 2 days time and improve your skills at making the right moves for the game of chess.
Their TADA this time. Like earlier, it was not sufficient for them. So last time we had the team from Garo Hills, some of the players, they were having difficulty in maintaining themselves. So this time we have enhanced our TAD also to the top 4 players. And one coach, I think, will try our best to send together with the team. I won't talk much about this chess. Yeah, it is no doubt a brain game, but only with brain you cannot play. If you have a weak body, you sit here for 2-3 hours, your brain will be working perfectly, but your body will not allow you. So physically also you have to be very well maintained. So it is not only that even only your brain is okay, you can play chess. No. Physically also you have to be very strong. And whatever you do in life, chess teaches that you'll be, even if you think something good, you'll think 10 times. If you think something bad also, 10 times you'll think about it. A chess player will never do anything which will be harmful. They will try their best for the betterment of the society. And as you have seen, India is coming up very well now. Earlier, no doubt India was good in chess, but now India has come to the 2nd position in the world. And with these youngsters, and even in our state recently, in the international tournament at Assam, international FIDE rated, FIDE is a whole body, he stood first in under 7, and he will be playing here, I think. And there is one from Garo Hills, Mr. Balbit Sama. He stood third in the open category of under 1800 rating. So I won't take much of your time because many great tournaments. I wish you all a very nice tournament. As you all know, that the local district, they have given you accommodation, fooding and everything. Even though they are not having any fun, but they took this initiative. I'm really thankful to Reboy district for this. Yeah, some help can come from MCA, Meghalaya Chess Association. We'll try our best, but let's hope some other also, like from government, this and that, they'll be getting something which would be helpful for them. And here we have now also many youngsters also paying, because it is an open tournament and you can come as a donors entry. So anyone who qualifies from this, the top 4 player will represent the Meghalaya state in the nationals. The All India nationals will be held very soon. So and this time we'll try our level best to provide them with good facilities, like they can go in air condition. They can go in an air conditioned coach, and after that even.
In a recent development, PN's aim, the Deputy Chief Executive Member CEM of the Khas Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC has announced that the District Council will summon this aim of Langrin. This decision comes after a group of gentlemen from Hima Langrin approached the office to voice their concerns about the administration of Paim Nangtei Seim Hyong in the Hima. The gentlemen expressed their dissatisfaction with the current administration and stated that they do not support or accept the approach taken by the management board. They believe that it is not in line with the traditions and practices of the people. In order to address these complaints and to uncover the truth behind the allegations, the KHADC has decided to summon this aim of Langrin. This move aims to ensure transparency and accountability in the administration of the Hima.
File ke complaint persya yo paim nangte haka santrik jung niu Julai kabagi la pen pau bun ki dau away galong gajede bagatuka management committee board kabala khao pedang ka kurs imyong kakpo jung nangte bad ka himal ban peniyai ya ka kundeu langam tila bata deng tang ki pun ki hajar jong ka hima kim sutunat baya ka hima baro ko wei la peniyai jaga niga management board akaba urang bakur jong ka po jong ka kursi myong po jong nang tai ulong u chairman di pen pau baga kumnu kat ya ka management board ban penyai dau wei urang ba naka pur bahab ka po ju nanti sini baru ya kan sepang compensation bagi debat kaniga kam surok dan kelas itu bagi muhun ya ka jing penlut ya kan ni ka compensation tinataraw na kalang tungi namar bagadai ka kabayade baga kampus hatin ka nila penmi ya ka order ka jumi menin gaski banong ba kanu ka jing penlut na kalang tunga hima arpsan hajar seneng don kam ya ka approval nang ni nang bangin sutu e gitaw na marba ka bakum kadi ka bangin hapan proceed ahead ya kadi ka complain badaga juga por nang hap island yu pa nang teru baun jubab yakini gi charges balada ngidi ban haban khot hiring ngi hap khot nang bangin yo ya ka nongrim juga kam Suah bagi simnya kanu kara.
Kajingwan jogi minta kasih ni kalong kamdai ba ong ba kajing kwa jogi keseng samla. Hari kadai kajing kwa jong pat ba nong song sinong jong ka himalang rin ki kun ki hajar. Hakaba ngiling la ong ki ap ya ap suah ngin ap ya ka rai jong ka isi hari maki ki ong ba ngi kwa bantip kani ka kam kala poi se namar kata ka jingleng a ka jing pisa jong ki kun ki hajar. But kita ong ru ba ki kwa ba ka diskausil kadai ban wen mardor ya usim nang tais im yong kat ba ka jing bisar ka inquiry kadang ya namar ba kumno en bisar ya ubriu badang don hakabor te kata kadai ka jing kwa jong ki kun ki hajar jong ka himalang rin te ka jingwan jong im takasni te ki ba nong song sinong jong ka himalang rin ki kun ki hajar khamtam kita ki kli senrang kat prasnam kila penbej taki bos adu lai sauteli tambangi pensange no yaki yong ap shua jai namar balai ap kakam ngin syania ngin don kata ka jing syania ha kita ki kli no sensar ki no yalam hang ne pok ka chat beri go jongi ki bedon hang ne pok ka council tena kalian jong kiru kila ai kata ka jing trilang bat ngi ba ki yaisa ya kata te ngi ai ku blai nam ta kata ka jing longkloi jong ki ban sngap ya ka jing kerpat ka jongi ten rei ngingat skam ba ki bor bahalor ki bedon hang ne pok council ibor bahalor jong ketika jat berdua ke jongi ilayu ihi katno ke jing trang ke jing angnut jongi kun ki hajar ban wanra ya kata ka syongsuk ke syongsan hapok ke himalang rin bat kumba kila dawa kila kwa maki ban ong ban wenno ya upayim nang tei kat ba ke jing bisar kadang yan kamut ba kata ke dei kasur ke jongki bat ngatharai balada kata kadang penslam namar bangiwan mentak siru iwan budin ya kata tilada kata ka jing kwa ke jing angnut jong pat ba kadang slam bat kadang pensimpor ngatharai yo ba kata yo ngimla su ban te la kam yo pat ba te ka ai ke banjia te manuban ba kli ha kata kapor te ngatharai kata kalong ka kerwo bat ka khubor ka basai ba nakalian jogi ka seng sama himalang rin bangila pensai yo pat ba am tau la kendit benriu la kendit ya ba ka hok long trai jongki kala sak kata menta upat ba hi ulawan ban mi sakmat ban tur hakmat jong ka council ngiwan menta tagi spangut hang ne te kadai bangi dang te la kameki te la dang ngimla su ban te la kameki ha wis ngi yo ki poi hang ni daki hajar ngut bat ngimla su ban penki ki nang ne te kalong ka bae te ngat skam ban ngidon ke jing sania ha kita ki kli no sensar jong ni ka jat beri jongi bakin sale bat kin sa sim kia mardor ya ni ka kam ka ba nakal yang jogi kun ki hajar ki angnut ban penkelano ya kata kli no sensar hang ne pok ka himalang rin ke jongi
teman kawan ka himalang rin kabangala Islam naduki menswa Islam isim ki balalai no haka sensar kadar jong ke himalang rin menta kali per bat ngila don hampedang ke jing sulngo bat don bok pakini nakaliang jogi ni sang samla kila ni bangi don ke jing kersan ke biskam kum ngi pajba nong song sinong jong himalang rin namar habdang ke jing lengo habdang ke jing undum ba kani ga ain ba wanra hapo ke hima la shule tang dagi katu kat ningut tang nagi sangut ke menteri bersangut ke longdo bat katu kat ni ke dukhot jong ka isi ke jong sim nrai baro pajba klemtip ba haka por ba wan panchai bot pajba klemdon kanu jing panchai klemdon kanu jing yathu bot pajba nrai la shule lang det maki yo pajba la don ke jing khnyum ke bakrau la don ke jing yaki ke bakrau ndaman tan dalami kini ki kenrum kenram ni ne galiang pajba khamtam ni ki rip temen ki bangi imsuk imsain ki longshwa ki manshwa hapo ka himalang rin bangi im haka sensar khadar haga yoga kot bangi im haka jing kedup jonggis im barim bala penyaj ta ke hima hala penyaj dos im bat ke hima ya ke jingmi jong ke hima bad ya ke sensar khadar rei menta hongpong galong la penyaj daga ni ka management board kani galong kawai na ka ain ka bala suanra thamai jubor bala sutip tangki katu kat ni naka liang jong sim rei baro pajba untip tengi so persajur pan mentangi da dawa jur ba Day ban weng no sundon ban weng no yung nusim nong tei ban weng no ya kanega ain ngin nom sya bawan ra ya kanega ain hapo ka himalang rin. Tinga tang di
In a recent news report, Robert June Karjarin, leader of New Repute Council, expressed his concerns about the idea of small state having two capitals. Karjarin stated that such a demand holds no value since the state already has a small territory and population compared to other larger states in India. He suggested that this notion may have been implanted by politicians for their personal gain. Karjarin also predicted that there may come a time when there will be a demand for greater Garo land. Shifting the focus to the state's economic status, Karjarin highlighted that Meghalaya is one of the top 5 poorest states in India. He attributed this to the presence of corrupt leaders who lack the necessary mentality and competency to uplift the state. Karjarin's views were shared by several other wise individuals present along.
Meghalaya kadiga jala ka barus pa reki bro ke beduk ti mentapat ke niti ayuk ka don sendon na si taki reliable la ta ban proof ban pensya kata baka Meghalaya kadiga jala ka barus pa reki bro la niki no snong ki joka kilong ki beduk bat ka bapen long kumta ya ka jinglong ka jingman bangi rus pa makna rengi duk pan kadi namat bangim syam la don ye ki nong yalam ki babiang nyam syam ladon ya kita ki right policy ki ban yarap ban kentiu ya kayo ka kot ha ka liang barok ka don ka jur ba la da pin pej aman ki sinong aman ki jaka ka jur ba ka ne ka disparity dan ne ka jinga per pedeng ubaduk barus pa pin yo i ke ba katwi kandiat ki nong song sinong jong ka jala kinya Lamborghini kinya ya ki Audi kinya ya ki you le se don ru le se ki bandon ki private plane ya ba le se empat biang ki jaka hiar ki ngim pa i ten re ki bru ki berduk pat ka jur ba ka waina ki jing penlong ban ya ka Meghalaya bakan duk kalong ba kumba pitip kalong ba ka Meghalaya ka yo ka kot jong ka Meghalaya ka syong ba ha ka ni ka revenue ki bami na ki marpo kendo kam tam na ukul ki babun na ka platengka jong ka Meghalaya da pin pai haswa ban khang yeu doyong na ka jingti doyong pin bat hadin jong kata la pin pet ba ka don ba kata ka jing per ka jing jingai bat ka ika bajia kalong ba hadin bala da khang yeu doyong ka yet ka ni ka illegal transportation illegal mining but illegal transportation wing yong ka illegal mining but illegal transportation kamut kamdon ga jing siu khajana jong kini ki breu ki badi dan ki basalan yeu doyong but haba kamdon ga jing siu khajana kabumut ka ika bajia kalong ba ka jalla kaduk ti haba kaduk kamla ban wanra ya ki program la ni ki policy ki bobun ki program ki ba ka Meghalaya ka pentrikam hakini ki san sinem tam bun hi ki de ki central flagship program lada pine keren NRGS hanong kondong ngiyo i tangka tuhi ke bandan ti ngine keren ye ki wiki IAY PMG AY kitu ki ban sna ye ki yeng ki baduk ru kitu ki dei hi ki central flagship program kini ki jingerap ya ki breu ki ba rep mo lang ba kitu ki scheme ki bo pero ker ki kitu ru ki di central program ni ka Meghalaya ka launch ki program kum kitu ki focus mo ye ki ba u senyang u songdor le se hajar tila dapin ken pat ka jinglet la hajar siteng we sunyang te khasan spa ngi la shu ya bret kai ti sakwe ru kwe na ki jing daw le sui ki ba penlong ya ka Meghalaya ba kanduk ka de overspend of public exchequer kan ni ka jing pelut phut palat ya bisa jok ba in ainuk sa kum ka Slovakia mo ka don ka jing pelut ke ba palat ya ka sispa sap khandai kuru tangka we ke project spa sap khandai kuru udum lan ka assembly ni habat na arsin ya ka jo kakap ti lada la ka jinglut ke la bantam arho lai pokur tang na ka tu jing hab jong tu udum la se sa ki we project menta kum ka tura stadium mo ke PA sangma ka tu stadium menta la haban pelut bisa abiang bersna ki surok ki bade benne license ki tri ki bru jong ki politician ki kande tang alai panai kumang yo im tak e bajias tu ki tan ablarem terter mo ki surok tu ki im tu te kande ke jing overspend ya ka pisa jong pa ya ha ka jinglut ke ba le se di banluk san pokru ni spend prapo kanai pokru ka penlong ya ka jela bahkan don ha ka portion bahkan kit kulai ba mati te we la kit kulai ba mati ni so thu syai ka yok ka kot jong kata ka jela ti hakini ki sendem ru ngimdei ban kelet kalong ba ka jing perlut jong ka sarkar ban siu tulop ya kitu ki chairman ki co-chairman ki deputy chairman ki vice chairman ngatharai lada phinya current system ki poi de ki phokurur ki turu ti ka tu ka pisaru kam don kata ka productiveness kumba POE le kumba na leng jong seng ila lap le ki don ki committee la ni council ki babaro san snem tang ka kawai ka committee la ne tang kawai ka jingalang ru kam shem na shong ka bomut babaro san snem la shu ya ba mei ti ngim don pat saya kita ki program la ne ki policy ki ba la ban sustain long term kumno ban yarap ya kajela ho ki ka sarkar kala ban ai daw covid ritang ko wingi dim so thu kalau ka covid kam shimla jia tang mekhlia ka covid ka don hakaleng jong ka perthai ti lada ka mekhlia ka sakta covid ka samru ka sakta ti ka covid kam de ka daw jong ka jingdu na ubli ka covid ka kta ya baro kar india amdi tang po mekhlia ti habang ngilong baar ha ka jingduk bat banikong ha po non is ka bomut ba kidon ki daw de ki wei pat ki daw ki ba ki wakta de kumbang ka daw pi kelong kita ki de ki daw ka jing bomla ban yarap ki bru ki ban sengkam la jong ka jing bomla ban promote ye ka rep ka riang ka beri ka major economy bakbun jongi ka jing nang sentut no jong ka pisa ka jongi sabar la pin le ya ka study da ki pho jang nut ki samla ki jongi ki lit puli no sabar da ki pho hajang te kan ga jing sentut jong ka pisa ta ka well drain yo mo ka jing sentut jong ka pisa ru na ka jala ka jongi sabar ka bom kai ti kini ki penlong ya ka jala ka jongi ka baduk ka la dei ka multiple factor ka jing bom don ki policy ka babiang ka jing penlut pathar ya ka pisa ka jing overspend ye ki project ki bapero per kum ka ganol handle project mo ni so sarong bom ta ba gorhil ka yo ya ka handle project repeat ya ka history jong ka bejia ka project ka balade ban commission how arjar khatra ngimtip na ki daw yu samala kawan ka new government ka ban spend biang tu nyo pho ne proper kurur extra te mentang sayo ya ka project te ka wei ka project ni ending up in spending kumta palat nyo pho proper kurur so bakia sta so khandai kurur sa ki wei project ki bom kai tin lor kata ada pin kan mau ngidon saya ki policy kam kai ke bakta ya ko yo kot ada pin kan mau ka vat ya ka petrol badisil hajing sya ka vat ya ka petrol badisil la dap siu dagi pajba kini kinong bu telefon kim sim la siu sya ka sarkar ka lemno ka map kan persen lagi ti ka sarkar ka jela ka jongi hajaka bakan yo sipho kurur le se ka vat na petrol diesel namar baki map no arpho na le persen tingidu no ti kum kini ki policy kum kini ki jingjia ki balalong kum bong fokus mo kadang remdor ka tu ga dara la ne ka tu ga pandal ban ya boro ki senyang basam tu ti kum kita ki policy ki ngi pentrikam kum kita ka vision hajing sha kum ka focus is a beautiful scheme lada pi bet ya ka tu ga work order sha ki no rep mo kin yo ya tu ga pisa ki le tit unu senyang na snong la ne nang no ki le tit senyang te klai aram menta ki wanra usnyang banabar nda ulawan hande bon itu ki senyang ki yap no ti utu senyang ubai ribuan bagi te utu ka tu ga pandal bagi sina wei senyang jaka ban song da rajar usang dar no ajasan spa ne la hajar kabumut ba siteng jong ta pisa ru la suya berat kai Tikini ki program ki balong unproductive. Ngim kunai mo kebangim kunai ka penlong ya ka jela ka jungi bangin lacking behind ki bubun. Ngi lacking behind ya ka health sector, ngi lacking behind ya ka transport, ngi lacking behind ya ka yo ka kot leng ba ka rep ka riang ti ka penlong yang ngikum ka jela ka beduk bat ka daw ka ba khadu du le si ka ba ngi habban ya sim kum ka wei na ki daw le se ka long ba kan ni ka jing bom pat long politically conscious jong ki bru jong ni ha por election ki dang bun na ki boburom ki bru ki jong ki demand entertainment por election kim demand ban ne karen issue ki demand ni ki entertainment pi haban ai bam haban ai chingdi ki bo pero per hap tem ki jing roi ki bas tonat ki bas bang ti ingi lada ka fokus ka jong ni ha por election ka yat sa ka entertainment ti ka result ka di be kata ba man ka sansnem min sanang hiar habakut kiwe ki jala ki lang ya sapang ngi nang sadin berkat bang nang sadin kan penmi ya ki additional problem ka employment kan wan ka law and order kan wan ka ni ka tension ka jinglong tension ha ka san perkhan jong kisamla ber ki kisam kan wan kata ka well drain kata ka jing syak kejit no jong ga pisa ki jong ni sabar kanang jur no boleh ngimdon ki university babiang ya hablet sabar ngimdon hospital babiang ya hablet sabar ngimdon ke airport babiang ya haban let sang ti watang ban sin flight ti kini ki di ki borok ki ba penlong yang ni bahkan ketak bat mentang ilong baar hari India hi borok we ha jingduk bat satangkat no ladangi dang yai dah kan ni katren kanom penlongo yang ngabangin lomon kok.
The Ribhoi Tourism and Environmental Development Forum, in collaboration with the Union of Headmen of Nongkra Nonglingdo, is set to host a vibrant and exciting Pineapple Festival on August 5th. Celebrating the region's renowned pineapple production, the festival aims to promote local tourism and highlight the agricultural richness of Nongpo. The festival will take place at the compound of the District Transport Office in Nongpo. Visitors can look forward to a delightful array of activities showcasing the versatility of pineapples in culinary, artistic and cultural aspects.
Hangning idon lang kumbala keren nakaliang jong I presiden jong ka senjuk kirang basyong jong kan right nongkrak nongdo. Ka festival ka bangin pelong ka santarik ka festival ka balai. Haka Ribhoi Tourism and Environmental Development Forum ka sim ka senjam bangin di trelang rengkat baik kini ki noyalam jong ka senjuk kirang basyong jong right nongkrak nongdo. Ban pelong ya kene ka Pineapple Festival hangtai po DTO kompleks haka santarik. Tinakaliang ka jongi kung ka forum rengkat pa ka jitay lang pa kini baka sundok kirang basyong nilay penbet ru bahade ka say kindon sibon ki program haka po ka festival kindon ki entertainment adu man step mo kinsawan ro ki bangin sakot karpang ki ubun ki ru pokmat jong kadong jong kathan ka jungi bakin ai ki entertainment ban pensong shit ban pensong singa yang ka festival ka banlong haka santarik amar kata khot nga wer beng phi ki pai ba nong sosnong ki ba I Kibadan po ka district ka jungi, kibadan po ka jala, Meghalaya ka jungi, kibadan Shabaro, pindawan kanang banwan pej, yung sotrun, yung festival sotrun ka jungi, haka pa kini kinong rep, man na kisnong, kiwan banbo, ikistol ka jungi, bat kinuan bat pankre, yung sotrun namar sotrun, banwara ka festival, unlong siya sotrun, bakarpang ba, bat pinyo bantes, yung ka jingbang yung sotrun, balong kumba irang presiden ila debi itu organic, purely organic, maka kum ka forum ka jungi nisim kia ya kan ka Pineapple Festival bahkan long ka Wainik Festival ka bapau nam hapo ka district ka jungi nak mentakum no ban yarapan ban kentiu ki kinong rep ki badon hapo jong ka district ka jungi bakinang ya syahmat ban itu perthei yung ni u sotron kum Wainik ki organic badon hapo ka jala ka jungi te sai sin khot nga wer ya pi ba khoi ki pai ba nong song jong ka jela ba piniwan ban saki hakate ka santarik namar hakate ka santarik lara pido banwan tin sababi namar usotron bathiang tamu di uni bunai bo menta bangiyo na po ka district ka jungi taini kintir kublai sibol so hakane ka si ngakum u presiden jong ka senjuk kirang ba snong ngadon hapo jong kene ka office jong ka tourism but ni wan hangne rangkat bat kini ki rang ba u sekretari jong ka senjuk kira ba snong lembat kini ki member ki perlok ki baya yu krishan na kapor hakabini bat kumno ban dra ia ka burom bat ka ban ketiu ya kinong rap di hangne ngadon ban ong ba ngidon ka program na kabenta ban penlong ya ka festival jong ka Pineapple ki badai jong ka nongkra nondo lane kuntrup hi ya ka nongpo area hi borok kawai ka ba kinong rep jogi nausnem ki babun ba ki sok ki pai ki jungi ki bangi jupun mi kum ki sok trun de henry ka ka ba ka pendiau yang ikum kasunjuk lane kum khamtam yang akum u presiden jong kane kasunjuk kirang ba snong nongkha nondok kalong ba bun sen kinong rep jungi kidundong halor kono rem kolong ba kim hadu menta kim don kawiru ka longying lani kum kinong rep kibayo ya ka nam lani ka record kum ka organic farmer lani kum ka certificate naga benta ban yo ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot hakabde pat ka yo ka hat naga benta banderap ya kinong rep kejuki Henry nakalang yung nga kum upusan yung kasunjuk nga layawer nga laikhot ya ki prari rumba ban munti kena ban penlong ya ke festival hakasan terik bangi kwa menra ya kajing rep jong ki organik nakan nek area jungi kum kinong rep ki paya pul ti kumta nakalang jong nga kum kasunjuk persen jong kasunjuk ki rumba snong nga khot ngawer ya pi baro ki paiba nongrep jong ki jong usuk trun hapo kane ka area ka jongi kum nung khra nong do ki marngar ki plos haduk morong kang ki mopro tua ba pin pi kum ki paiba pin yawan ye ka bani sim bentalang magi khanang longkup ka jing kersan lan ka jing ai men sim yangi kum ki kasunjuk ki ramai nong ba penlong la ka bentai jong pi kum ki rep ya kane ka festival di tang kita nakalang jong akum presiden jong kasunjuk ngadon ya kaban hot lan ban kerpat ya pi kum ki perlok nong rep ki ba don kam ya ka nyirap kum no banra ya ka rep ki jongi kum ki nong rep jongi kum ki sotrun namar ba kum bangitip hadu mentah kinong rep jogi kipsa ya lagi jong ki khun kipsa ya lagi jong ke by school by sep ki jong ki khun ki ti ki jong kinang ni cuma kelong tang da ka rep usuk trun iyo ya kawan kamai ban yo ya ki jing pule ki kadan ma fer nang mata ki khun ki ti ki jongi ha ka jong korban kentiu ya lagi jong ki yeng sem tang kita nang lang jong akum sunjuk ramak snong dan ong makan por bless you tukumta kum presiden jong kasunjuk jong kirang ba snong nong khra nong do ngayang hang neru ya ga ban khot banwer sakiwe pat kidong jong gari boy kum ki pranong rep banwan ya ga ban sakhi ya kan ne ka jingdon jong ki nong rep panyapul ki balong kum ki organic ki bom ju penunkam ya ki chemical lan kum ki dawai mo ki ba ta ya ka koi ka khya le se ti na khot ngawer lang kum ta ya phi baro ki dong jong kari boy hibar ko we ba phinyawan ya ka ban sim ta kalong kum ka jing ya ai mun sim yangi kum kinong rep so trun hapo jong kani ki area nong kha nong do tang kita besiban.
In a strongly worded statement, PNC, the working president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, expressed his deep condemnation for the recent heinous acts that have taken place in Manipur. SAIM addressed the barbaric acts committed by a few miscreants against women in the state, labeling them as a saddening affair that has marked the ongoing agitation. SAIM emphasized the distressing fact that in the midst of any form of protest or unrest, it is the bodies of women and young girls that often become victims of such brutal acts. He called for immediate action to be taken against those responsible for perpetrating these crimes, stressing the importance of ensuring justice for the affected individuals.
Working president jong MPCC ngastuban pendrem jul ya kanika jingjia ka bajiah Manipur kaba kiba pri ki hablong lang kanya innocent people unnecessarily ya ka jingjia kani kapau syai dar baga state government kala feel ya ka law and order jela ndei tangga state government what ka central government NDA kala feel ya ka law and order but kani nakaliang ka NDA government kan hampan sintia nama kan reflect ya ka weakness dungar India bro ibriu jongi kimlong secure mensi ha ki jaka pa ba tenaran jonga nga pendam ikan ke jintia but the responsibility kadai jongka government Manipur but juga central. La katas ni dang kem hadin nyopus ni tam. Yeki corporate dengan semua kalau ada ke bala. Cisin ong sikentin ada ban hakajing sisa. Nakaliang ke home ministry. Kampai isu banang apa ke report ban declare president. Namar naturally ke bayoi katakan kalau ada ke strong report ban ong bakadika ada tambah president. Jangan kau masuk ke nakaliang junga pendem juri dengan gigi. But hakaju kapor kibakum kini communal clash. Kalau kibangnya hapan husiar bah, lah kalau hakanu nuga ceka. Namar only small thing create pun kini issue. Jadi kalian jungi ngaso bagi kini akan longru kajing hikai yang ihang ni. Bangin hapan pek banyak bah jadi berarti minor issue gitu ni. Nang bangin hapan solve in a right time. Nang bangin nomi kanu asni begini.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.